This is Brian, the brain. He's going to help me show you what the brain's made of. The cerebrum is the uppermost portion of the brain. It's also the largest part of the brain, covering about 2/3 of the whole brain mass. And it's divided into two main hemispheres. Now, the outer layer of the cerebrum is called the cerebral cortex. Interestingly, it's only about 1/10 or 1/5 of an inch thick. However, even though it's really small, this is where much of our human thoughts, planning, perception, and consciousness take place. The frontal lobe, in the front of the brain, of course, makes up about 1/3 of the area of the cerebral cortex. It's best known for its role in attention, working memory, impulse control, being creative, and also abstract reasoning and thinking. It's what really makes us human, because it's the youngest part of our brain. This is why children and teenagers can act more impulsively than adults. Their frontal lobes aren't fully developed. It isn't around until 20 years old or so, before the frontal lobe is fully developed. One important area of the frontal lobe is the primary motor cortex. This is in this area of the frontal lobe. It's pretty cool how this was discovered. A German psychologist in the 1860s noticed that when he was caring for injured soldiers, he would touch the surface of this area of the brain, and he found that a soldier's body would actually twitch on the opposite side. So say he touched the right side, the left side of the soldier's body would twitch. From this and other research, we now know that different parts of the cortex are responsible for different functions. All of the parts of our body that we can move have a dedicated region of the motor cortex that is activated when we move our body parts. For example, we have a region for our fingers, one for our wrists, one for our lips, one for our legs, and more. You get the picture.